soda all over me.
Wendy's is my favorite fast
But
food.
I got the 4 for $4, so French fries, a burger, and some nuggets.
I just got my wisdom teeth like out last week, so like if I'm struggling, that's
Go
why.
watch that video, by the way.
Yeah, tips and tricks. And I did change my shirt. Are you gonna add this? Is this a separate video or same?
Probably separate.
Oh, okay. Filming the same day.
Yeah.
Gotta like focus it. Here we have a French fry.
Oh, one of my nuggets fell out. We have nuggets.
All my nuggets fell out. Homeboy couldn't get it together.
Yeah, this kid, my lid fell off, and
He was like struggling.
there's some French fries. Here's my nugget that fell
He
out.
was really excited though to see me. Or he
Why
like,
is this lighting bad? We look
I don't
purple.
know.
It's like driving on
Probably because my hair.
with no cars in front of you.
I can't.
Commercial-free ride
Or maybe
with
because we're in the
Jagger on
shade.
Kiss
Yeah.
95.7.
Because my car doesn't have AC.
Yeah.
Mukbang, mukbang.
Mukbang, mukbang.
Trisha Paytas has everything on us.
So we're just gonna eat. I mean, you can watch us eat, but what should we talk about in mukbang?
I don't know. We were gonna go take artsy pictures somewhere, but there's
got
no
hungry.
artsy pictures places around here.
And your girl's gotta eat, so.
Yeah, we're gonna have a snack attack right now. I got nuggets.
Oh yeah, this is my burger. I took a bite out of it. Sorry.
Nugget for a nugget. Oh, hot.
Yeah, if we look gross and like disgusting, it's like
Because we are.
it's like 90 something in it. Send me if I don't show up. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
We both got root beer.
Oh.
How did you even get that back there?
My sauce is on my dash. I got it though, update.
I can hear them ordering over there. Oh yeah. And then the truck next to us, there's a guy, so.
The highway's like right there too.
Yeah, so if you hear noises, that's why. Oh yeah. I don't know what to talk about.
I don't know.
I'm excited for fall. We both are.
Yeah.
I'm double fisting over here.
My birthday's in fall. Get lit with Sam that day.
My birthday's in February, so can't relate.
School's coming for some people, not me.
Not me either. We're graduated high school, so we're in college, but we both go in the spring, so
Yeah, spring,
it's like January to May.
winter, basically. I got new sunglasses.
I feel like our time, because we're spring, it's a lot shorter. Like my
Yeah.
aunt and my cousin said that we get out in like May.
Mhm.
I'm like, okay,
Yeah.
I'll deal with that.
And then I just have to go back there again in the fall.
Well,
But I need to find a job.
me too. This lighting is great.
I'm a hot mess.
Same. I'll link Sam's channel down below.
You're so tiny.
I know. So then you
You
can
guys.
check out her wisdom teeth over the video.
She's so tiny. Like, you have no idea.
Literally, I'm
Like-
tiny.
She's She's tiny. As you can tell.
Bug came in here.
Is this guy sleeping?
I think he's sleeping.
Maybe he's just got off the bike.
At first, because that black thing, I thought his window was open, and I was like, I'm good.
She goes, okay. I want to talk about it. So when did we meet each other? Freshman year?
Freshman year in reading. No, reading isn't usually a class in high school.
Well, our high school.
Yeah. Unless, like, your SRI, which is reading test, scores are low, so.
Which is dumb, because my, like, English class, like writing class, score, or, like, grades were, like, really good. So I don't know why. Like, it's whatever.
I mean, they took me out of the gym to put me into reading, so I wasn't really complaining.
Yeah, but I was.
And I never had to make it up either, so.
Really? Sophomore year, I had to take sophomore gym and freshman gym.
And
I took sophomore gym first. But, like, I had it last period. So, nobody saw me both times, so.
True.
It's a win-win.
I never made it up, and they never said anything to me, so.
But you graduated.
Yeah. I graduated, so that's all that matters, folks. This guy's napping over here.
These ladies are juuling or vaping or something.
Really? I didn't see anyone pull up next to us.
Sippy sippy.
Sippy sippy.
A sister sip.
A sister snack attack.
A sister burp.
A
That's
sister
not how
strap is falling.
Ew, what is that? Ugly.
I
Bird.
thought you were gonna throw it out the window. I was like, oh, feed the birds.
Yeah, I recently dyed my hair. Like, recently, I mean like yesterday.
Last night.
Yeah. It comes out.
I don't know why I guessed brown for your color. When you said guess what color, I knew you wanted to go pink.
Yeah.
But then you also wanted to do a lighter
Yeah, after this like fades, I'm gonna
or
like
darker. So.
cut my hair like what's like here, and my hair is like naturally curly, so it's gonna look shorter, and I want to go lighter because I'm always changing my hair because I had like an ombre before I dyed my hair this color. So
When you have to hold your cup with 2 hands because the guy didn't put the cover on correctly.
and then the girl like tried.
Yeah,
They
my
were all
cover,
struggling.
the cover's just not operating.
So yeah.
This is really good.
You think we've been like friends for like 4 years? Well, we got like close like senior year.
Yeah. Senior year, we definitely got closer.
Yeah.
I low-key don't remember you junior year.
I do. We had
We had creative, or whatever that class was.
yeah. We had that class together.
Creative writing role.
Yeah, we had that class together. And then like last
Like
year,
that's the
or
only class we had together.
senior year, we had like 7 classes.
We had 3 classes together and lunch.
We had so many classes together.
And you best know that in us in class together.
I didn't learn anything senior year.
Me either, not really. You was popular media.
That was like a movie class.
That was
like,
a movie class. We watched movies. We napped.
It was hair.
We took pictures.
I literally did nothing in that class. Like,
And then we had anatomy together.
I did nothing in that class either.
Yeah, but we loved our teacher, so she was really chill and everything.
Yeah.
I mean, we did our work. We got our work done in those classes and passed them and everything.
Yeah, with actually good grades.
Yeah.
Like, I think like teachers just give up on seniors. They do.
Yeah. Especially Miss Powell, she did.
I don't
Which
think you
is
should
right
say
now.
your name.
Oh, our anatomy teacher. I said it quietly though. Uh-oh.
They're coming to get me. I think it's an ambulance though.
Yeah, it's an ambulance.
I've seen like 7 ambulances. Ambulances.
We've seen 3 in the news trace.
Yeah. Close enough.
But yeah, we had anatomy together. That was fun.
And then pre-calculus.
Well, pre-calc was death.
I had that teacher sophomore year too, and I didn't really enjoy it.
Like in anatomy, we both got decent grades, like got the same grades, because most of the time we worked together.
Yeah, on like everything.
Yeah. Same with you as popular media. But then when it
And
came
we
to
sat in the back, so.
then when it came to pre-calc,
I used to FaceTime people in that class, anatomy.
true.
And
And we made a buddy. The kid that sat next to me was our buddy. And then he disappeared. I don't know what happened to him.
no, like he didn't like disappear.
Not literally. He like left our
Left.
school.
Yeah. But he was at graduation, so like, proud of you.
We think he went to like just like I just threw my french fry. Like what is it? A recovery school?
A different like school to like catch up or something. I don't know.
Yeah. Because I don't want to be rude, but he's like one of those kids that like doesn't care.
Yeah.
He literally came into class and told us that. So.
Like school is so expensive. Like college.
True. Especially state.
Well, if you're in the state, and
Well,
you go
state
to
colleges are.
and then you go to the same state school, then it's like cheaper than out of state. So if you went to like the next state, out of state, it would
Yeah.
be. But like community college.
Community colleges are fine.
Mhm.
Wherever you get educated.
And you're gonna save a lot of money too.
True. Like, I don't know, it's like 4 something. 4,000 for our college that we're going to. When state colleges are like
40,000 a year.
40,000 a year, when ours is just 4,000 a year.
Well, it depends on what school you go to.
Yeah. But yeah. It's a little
We should go on
school
college tours.
update. We should.
Mm.
I know once you apply to like our college that you have like what's the word? Orientation. It's like 3 weeks before the like first day. Cause
I think I just enrolled.
I don't want to see her name, but
Our girl.
our girl went and I don't want to put her anymore. Went to orientation.
Oh my god,
It was like low-key too hot to eat.
I know, like I'm like tired of eating. That's never happened to me before. I think that's all.
Like it's just too hot to like eat. 'Cause, like,
What else is there? Yeah, we met freshman year.
Uh-huh.
Fun.
The only thing that sucks about community colleges, no dorming. And I wanted the dorm because I don't want to live at home anymore. But
I'm sweating.
me too.
Ooh. Ew, that tastes bad.
Oh my god. Like it's just hot and gross.
Yeah.
You still have to find someone to take artsy pictures.
We can go.
There's Stanley Park. Like there's a flower area there. Because I was going to do my senior pictures there. You're not allowed to have professional cameras there and you have to pay a fee.
Really?
Uh-huh. That's why I did downtown in the green. Because it's free. No one catches you if you take pictures there. I kind of wish I could redo my senior pictures. Like, I like them. Just I don't know. Because, like, I did dance. It was my last year of dance. And all the other girls, like, did, like, pictures, senior pictures in their solo costumes. Like, their senior solo costumes. But I didn't have mine yet. So So I couldn't do it in mine.
Really?
Yeah. Because we can pick out our own costumes and everything and buy them ourselves.
Oh, I'm full.
So that's what I did. Bought my own online. And it didn't come in until after my scene. Just goes onto the green right now and has puts my costume on and counts as a senior picture.
Do a little like swirly poo.
I literally look bald, but my hair's up, I promise.
My hair's so thick.
Oh my god, the cover fell off again. Okay. Well, this is already 16 minutes long. So,
Fun.
thanks for tuning in to our mukbang. And if you want to see more videos of Samantha, go subscribe to her channel.
Yeah.
Or there'll be more videos of me and her because we just
did like
2 others. So,
yeah.
we'll see ya next time.
Bye.
Peace!